Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Rose J. And today, it's like summertime out there, right? This whole week. I peeled and cut up and cleaned these, not potatoes, excuse me, carrots. Because I'm going to make a sopon. And later to that I'm going to add, after that I'm going to add the rice, which is over here. Excuse me. It's cleaned already. I already washed the rice. And then I'm going to add broccoli and cabbage. We'll add some of this nice cabbage to it. And this is the pasta I'm going to be adding. They're called fideos. We call them fideos. So yeah, they got some sauce here. The ingredients are over there. Yeah, this is going to be a sopon de camarones. Translation: shrimp soup. But a sopon is a little heavier than a soup. You know, it's heartier, actually. Not heavier, heartier. So once those carrots are nice and tender, I will be right back. Now it's time to add the rice. Give this a nice stir. And leave it alone for a minute. There go the shrimp. That's precisely a pound. Make sure it's nice and cleaned out. Show some camarones. There they go, right there. Look. My husband is stirring it. Ah, that's beautiful. Go ahead, baby.
See them?
Cabbage, the carrots, the rice, the shrimp, the broccoli. Ah. Wow. That's beautiful. Look at that. Okay, we'll come back when we plate, okay? Oh, baby. Here it is. Shrimps, everything is in here, really nice. I am really hungry. What I season this with is a little bit of this, that, and the other thing, like a little adobo, oregano, of course, basil leaves, salt-free seasoning, garlic powder, sazon, and garlic, fresh garlic. But I ground that up. It might be long, and yeah. So yeah, this is our meal for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you soon. So thank you for watching. Stay blessed, beautiful. Ciao and buen provecho.